Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through Google Flow, an incredibly ambitious AI-powered creative studio developed by Google DeepMind that is fundamentally changing how we approach filmmaking, video generation, and visual storytelling. Instead of forcing you to bounce between isolated tools for generating images, cutting video clips, and layering audio, Flow unifies the entire multimedia process into a single browser-based workspace. The app operates as an all-in-one timeline environment where you can build, refine, and compose highly complex, cohesive narratives without breaking your creative momentum. The technical backbone of this ecosystem is the native integration of Google's flagship creative models, specifically Gemini, Image, and the heavily upgraded Veo 3.1 cinematic video engine. When you input a descriptive prompt, Flow does not just blindly render a random isolated clip. It gives you deep, natural language editing control over specific camera angles, precise tracking movements, real-world lighting physics, and complex scene composition. Even more impressive is the native audio integration. The Veo engine contextually synthesizes sound effects, background atmospheres, and tailored dialogue matching your generated visual sequence perfectly, making your scenes feel constructed and complete right out of the gate. For advanced creators, the system includes character and asset reference pinning. By using simple text triggers, you can upload a specific product photo or character avatar and lock their visual identity across multiple generated clips, drastically reducing the annoying aesthetic drifting that plagues traditional AI platforms. You can also build or remix customized creative workflow tools to automate repetitive styling tasks. While the high-quality rendering tiers like Veo Quality eat through your Google One AI credits quickly, and complex character mouth movements can still occasionally glitch during dialogue, Flow's combination of deep natural language editing and absolute workspace unity makes it an essential engine for future content creation. Subscribe the channel for more videos.